Number 13 on your review is a word problem. Generally, I would like to set up an equation, but this is really the type of problem that it's best if we just kind of work through the answer choices and see what's going to work out. So here's the situation. We have a monthly cell phone plan. It charges $5 for the first 300 text messages, so that's $5 flat. And then 15 more cents for each message after that. Okay. On this plan, what is the number of text messages that must be used in a month in order to make the average cost per message 5 cents? Okay, so the average cost is the part that's probably going to trip you up here. If we want an average cost, then how many minutes do we have here? It's $5 for 300 minutes, and then it's an X amount more dollars. So being a math teacher and enjoying equations the way that I do, I generally would probably have set up the problem like this. But basically, I'm just going to look at my choices. Choice A is 400. So that means that it went over our 300 by 100. So if I did 5 plus 0.15 times 100, and then I divide this by 400 because that's the total number of minutes, we're going to check and see what is this equal to. So 5 plus 0.15 times 100 equals 20, and I'm going to divide that by 400, and that gives me 0.05. So it looks like we already have our answer, but let's go back and check the next one. Choice B says 350. In that case, we've used 300 plus 50 more. So this number over here would be 50. So let's find out what that answer is. Actually, I just erased that. How's that work? Okay, so I would have 5 plus 15 cents times 50, which equals 12.5, and then I would divide that by 350, right? So divide that by 350. And that actually gives me 0.03 cents. So it's definitely not going to be that one. That one didn't work for us. So it's not answer choice B. So let's look at answer choice C. Answer choice C says 900. In this case, we would have gone over our 300 by 600. So, but our total would be 900. So I'd have $5 plus 15 cents times 600 equals 95, and then I'm going to divide that by 900 because that's the total number of minutes I have, and in that case I get 0.105. So I've got one more thing to try, and that's choice D, which is 500, and in the case of 500, we've gone over by 200, and then we're dividing by the total, which would be 500. So I have 5 plus 15 cents times 200, which equals 35. Divide that by 500, and you get 0.07. So the only one that worked was A. So if we did a 400 minutes, which is 100 over, then we would have an average cost of 5 cents.